Today I'm gonna fix a door. You can see that's hitting up there at the top. Down at the bottom, it's got plenty of room, so we're okay at the top. We've got room to move it over on the hinge side. We don't have any on the bottom, but that's okay. We don't need any on the bottom. We need to pull it over from the top. And the way we're going to do this is with a penny. That way we don't have to take the door off to plane it down. Somebody's already put in some oversized screws to try to pull that hinge in. And that's not going to work. So first thing we need to do is we need to pull this bottom hinge off and get it out of the way until we get the top hinge adjusted. All right, I'm going to take the screws out of here, and then we're going to put a penny, and not on the front side but on the back side of this hinge, so we can hinge this door the opposite direction. Alright, let's go in there and check it out. Hey, we've got the right reveal on that side, and we've pulled the top over. So now the door works great. Got the right reveal all the way down. Now we just need to check the center hinge to see if it's the problem. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the screws into the hinge at the top. Okay, now let's check this other hinge on the door. Yeah, all those screws are stripped out, so we need to put some bigger size there. But the big problem we have right now is the center hinge won't go into the won't go back into the jamb, so that means it's hinge bound. So we need to chisel out this and a little bit of that. Okay.
Rather than fool around with that toothpick.
All right, I can do that. Well, I know I'm going to need 4, 8. Let me give you one. Here they are.
And bigger around and longer.
Well, the bigger around, I don't think it's going to work.
No?
No, because the head are going to hit the heads, which is going to push the door over.
All right.
So if you got them to where they're just a little longer, that'll work. Okay, we got it where it'll fit, and it fits flush, so it won't be hinge bound anymore. Of course, the next thing we want to do, we're going to put some longer screws in here, but I've got to stick some wood in there. That helps tighten up the screws. Toothpicks work real well, but since nobody's got toothpicks here at the hardware store, okay, let me try one. I'll bring back what I don't use.
Don't worry about it. And I put the small one back in there. So.
Okay, good. Oh yeah, that's gonna get good and tight. Thank you, sir.
Right, man.
Then I'll take all these out and put these in.
Okay.
So we're putting some longer screws in here because these things have pulled loose. Whoops, that's one of the old ones. Put us a new one in here. hardware store. They said I've got 7 minutes, so finish this. How about them apples?